Good afternoon. Tuesday, back in lovely Elstree. Just picked up my first challenge of the day. Honda NC 750X. This is a new client. This is his daily commuter. Thought he would treat it to a little Trott Luvin. Get some protection on it. She is pretty filthy. Oh God, pretty filthy. Oh my goodness. Nige, I'm gonna have to send you a few of these. I think the bikes you clean are just too good a condition. Just joking. Oh, this thing is a mess. What have I got myself into? Look at those wheels. She definitely doesn't look like she has been cleaned in a while. 67 plate. Oh my goodness, look at that chain. Oh, enough of my whinging. Let's see if we can work a little chop magic. Get it all minted up, get some protection on it, get it delivered back later on today. Watch this space. Oh, finished finally. Someone once told me you can't polish a turd. I sure as hell give it a try. Oh, she looks a different bike. Painted all the wheels, cleaned up all these discs, painted the ABS rings, dusted the calipers. They were all milky white where they had been obviously cleaned with truck wash at some point. ACF 50'd all the motor, got all the rust off these fork legs, painted the bottom yokes, all the engine, everything's been ACF 50'd. Painted the back of the swing arm, rear disc has been sorted out, caliper, side stand, center stand, mirror, polished all the levers, all this exhaust, all this has been painted. Dressed all the plastics, got all that old chain lube off, blow dried it, re-lubed it back up. Oh, not much I haven't done on this. 3.5 hours, she looks a different bike. Oh, I painted the forks as well as the rad. Gonna load her up and deliver. I've had enough.